Hey guys, here's a hit recap video with the sound so you can hear and see the teams of the cards here. Some of them are hard to see, so actually I had my mic muted there for the hit recap in the main video, so here we go again. Terrence McGee out of 25 auto redemption card. That's a Rams card. Byron Jones, Cowboys. Philip Dorsett, Colts. Levi Norwood, Bears. Alvin Dupree, Steelers. Vince Mayle, Browns. Jeff Hoyerman out of 25, Broncos. Michael Dyer, Oakland Raiders. Terrace Jones, Grigsby, Bucks. Malcolm Agnew, who was that? Oh yeah, Packers. Obui, Bengals. Sammy Watkins at 289, 3-color patch. Another Sammy Watkins at 25 patch auto this time. Stephon Diggs, Trey Waynes, Chris Connolly out of 528 patch auto. Kevin Johnson out of 50. Devin Smith out of 99. Diggs again out of 289, 2-color. Devontae Parker, 3-color patch. Javorius Allen out of 99, single color. Doyle Grin Beckham out of 75 auto. Max Williams, 4-color patch auto out of 25, Ravens. And then we have undrafted and unsigned guys that will be randomized off. I'll do that tomorrow for the hitless guys, so you guys have a chance to watch the video and stuff. Fenric Mark, Justin McKay, Kevin Parks. That one's out of 149. So those last three will be randoms amongst the hitless guys. Thank you all for joining. Sorry for the technical difficulties, a couple technical things there, but thank you all for joining, and see you next time, guys.